security solutions to the assembly complex.
Education Minister Rakame Sangma said the state government is facing a huge problem in establishing Ekalavya model residential schools in the state because of unavailability of land. He assured that this year the works for the construction of EMRS will start. Advisor to the government in the Education Department H.M. Shangpliang said the Education Department will review shortly to start construction of the Ekalavya model residential schools in Meghalaya. The Government of India under the Tribal Affairs Ministry had sanctioned around 40 Ekalavya model residential schools in Meghalaya.
This year, it's my commitment. We will see the works done on EMRS, and we are working aggressively. I'll be having again one review meeting next week with all the Manifco and the Webco's team and our department. I think that will be we'll see the final improvement. Yes, it is some of the Ekalavya Residential School has been tender plotted and recently, and they are on pipeline, but we have to see the real picture when the things happened.
Education Minister Rakame Sangma said that if the government